Just hear those sleigh bells jingling-a-ring-a-ting-a-ting-a-ling-a-too. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-a-dong. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with a Jew. Outside the snow is falling and friends are...
I'm that one guy at the gas station that sees something like this and I instantly have to go look at it. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Wow. I'm sure this thing's fucking fun. Awesome, man. Alright, we finally made it home after a, I don't know, 6-hour trip. So, I am one of those people that drives until I get stranded and call for help. So, I'm one of those. But I finally got home, and I'm about to show you guys what I drove all the way 2 hours to get. So, let me take a quick piss, because I've been holding in for a couple of hours. So me and the Prosty had a good time. We went together, and yeah, so that's the only way I was able to make this trip, was a couple Monster Energies and a little Prosty by my side. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the trunk after I piss. Back home, and I just flooded the backyard because I had to piss so bad. So I'm gonna show you guys what we just picked up for the Camaro for a steal of a price. So what is one thing that I have wanted muscle car related since I started the YouTube? So I never had one before, and I'm always procrastinating on just buying them online. But when they're $500 each, I can't really afford that, or I can't justify spending $500 each on a rim. So you guys probably already know the brand rim that I like for our Camaro. When it's street freak and old school, there's only one rim you think of. Either Keystones or Craigers. So I think you guys know which one I like. Okay, so we got a Chevy bull pattern, 15x8, which is perfect for a 67 Camaro. I don't want 15x10, too heavy. So look at this. This is too clean. I'm not gonna want to put it on the damn car. Wow, guys, I can eat off this thing right now. Look at that. Oh yes, brand new. Dude, I'm probably not even gonna put this on the car. I still have to buy another one, but it still saves me $500 on one ring. So this is going in the room until I figure out what's next. So obviously it's winter, it's not going on the car right now. Once the season is nice, there's no salt, and I figure out how to maybe lubricate it with some WD-40 so it doesn't rust, because that's my biggest fear, is brand new Craigers rusting. So main question is, what did I get it for? How much? So I got it for $60. Hell yeah, can't say no to that. So let's just put it next to the Camaro so they can spiritually mate. All right, so since I got that out of my system, I'm gonna go in there quick, jiggle the wires, reverse them, and hopefully we have a tack. All right, just switched the wires for the tack. Hopefully, if I start it up, the tack is gonna actually work like it's supposed to. There we go. So we fixed the tack, and I spoke too soon. I literally said when I was driving back home, getting off the highway, I'm like, you know what? The sun's kind of out. This doesn't feel very Christmassy. Yeah. So, as I'm speaking, as I'm outside, you can probably tell. I mean, you probably can't tell, but it's starting to snow. So, even more delayed time working on the Camaro. So, even though I'm outside of my cut sleeve, but it's starting to snow. The sky doesn't look like it's gonna snow hard, so shouldn't be an issue. But Santa, I'm watching you, all your prosties on that cart. I'm watching you on the sled. You better slow your roll. Take your time. Do it right. We can do it, baby. What's going on, guys? The day after Christmas, so hopefully you all had a great holiday. And for me, gotta start the day with a coffee. So, stepping right now outside into like the ice age. It's cold as hell. So to start this day, first things first, we're gonna fix the exhaust on the Camaro. Just because I'm like, hey, what can I do that will actually make this car less annoying? So I can't do anything else subframe wise or trunk lid wise, stuff like that, because it requires welding and stuff. But the exhaust, it rattles, it bangs. Let me show you quick. So every time I start this thing up, I have never mounted this thing correctly. So super annoying. So I'm gonna back this thing up, put it over there, and we're gonna make a hanger for the exhaust, and hopefully solve one more problem on this car. So the battery, where is the battery? So I gotta go find that. One battery gets tossed around like a you know what, but it's the Nova battery, it's the Camaro battery, it's the truck battery, it's the everything battery. So I gotta go on a hunt now and find that battery, because I'm too cheap to go buy a $80 battery. So I don't know what the hell's going on, but my steering's not going left. The thing runs, but now the steering don't work.
Suck me, beautiful.
Okay guys, so we're back, and it might look a little bit different. So one thing is, we kind of put the old plexiglass back in the back window. So this is the old window for the car, and you can see right here, 1999, Maple Grove, that's New Jersey. So this NHRA supposedly was a actual NHRA registered car. Sorry, it's cold. And the other side, 2012, I guess, I'm assuming it was at the car show or drag, whatever, yesteryear for Atco. So that could have been just a sticker where they put on it, but this is the car. This is what we did. We fixed the exhaust, made a little bracket mount, and one of my proxies came over real quick and she helped me polish the tip. So she polished the tip, looks good. And the other side, it's a little tight on the clearance. I don't know what was up with this, but yeah, this is where it sits. It's way too tight. I can't even pull it away. So I just put like a bumper stop rubber in there. So at least when you start it up, it's gonna be jiggling along the frame, but with a rubber insulator now. So let's start it up, see how it sounds. Ooh. Sounds a lot better to me. I just cleaned the spark plugs, gapped them at 45 thousandths. And the idle air circuit screws are set out at 1 or a half turn out because this car is running way too rich. I don't know why. The main jets are upped one size from stock, so this car might be too big for the motor. Even at a half turn out, it's still kind of rich. Life is tough. Still smoking like a damn chimney. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap. This car, it's a love-hate relationship, 80% hate. So I'm gonna call it quits right here before the neighbors start a petition on making me sell my cars on eBay. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick little video. And we're supposed to get a pretty decent snowstorm tonight, so that's gonna suck. So I don't know. Stay tuned for the next video. Maybe this thing's gonna go snow drifting again and get so stuck. I don't know, because these things are like slicks. So maybe not. Maybe I'll use my brain for once, and we'll catch you guys next time. Mr. Boner, he's digging it.
Suck me, beautiful.